everyone, and welcome to another First Taste with Hope video. Of course, we're on Good Luck Foods because we need the good luck in the new year. And so this time we're focusing on fish. And I'm actually making salmon for the first time. Salmon, you know, some of you people say salmon, it's salmon, okay? The L silent. I don't have any way to prove that, even though I'm an English major, but nonetheless. So we are making honey garlic salmon. It sounds amazing, and this will be my first crack at some fish, so should be good. I think this will be a good thing for all of us, for me to learn how to do fish and for you to learn how to do fish. Of course, gotta keep it going. So let's get started. So what you're gonna start with is you're gonna make sure that you get the orange side. You're gonna put the salt, some pepper, and some cayenne. Once you get that, you're just gonna leave it there for a moment because you gotta make some sauce, my friend. Okay, so for the sauce, you're gonna need some honey, water, a dash of salt, and apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. I had apple cider vinegar, so we're going with that. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna add the honey into the mixture. Some water, one. Two. So then once we got all of our ingredients together, you're gonna mix it together. Once you get your little sauce, you're gonna put some oil in a pan and you're gonna get your salmon going. Okay, so once we've added our oil to the pan, add some garlic around to let it brown, we are going to put the salmon in. You're going to do a minute on one side, a minute on the other, flip it again to get it back on its ocean side for a minute, and then we're going to broil it to the finishing touch. Okay everyone, I learned my lesson. Garlic burns really easy, okay? So that's what happened here. I had to do some things really quick off the bat, which you probably saw some of that. Yeah, there's a lot of burnt garlic everywhere over here. Added in the sauce in the pan, had that little simmer. I drizzled it over before putting it in the oven to broil. Also added the lemon juice over it and then put it around as well to get in the pan. And now we're letting it broil for a minute, and that's that. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna taste this salmon out. This bad boy. Gonna try it out. It is good. However, might be a little bit too much apple cider vinegar. I'm starting to think that might be what it is. But I'll go for it again. Yeah. It's good, but the apple cider vinegar definitely plays a role here. So if you like that taste, it's totally good. I think could use a little less though. But yeah, overall this turned out pretty good. I'm not disappointed at all. and learned a lot, especially about garlic. So this is a learning experience in itself. So with that being said, that brings us to the end of another First Taste with Hope video. So thank you so much for tuning in to this disaster trying to make fish. And I will see you guys next week on another First Taste with Hope video. You wanna try it?
Yes.